Hello, Susykins! This is WWE Susie Heavyweight Champion! Coming with all Bill review. Alrighty. Best wishes to my mom. Because she have little bit of sorcery last Thursday. So send her the best wishes to this Willow Hill. Say mama say bring hope farewell. Please send the wishes to this Willow Hill, please. By the way. So we got a Willow Hill. I have a saddle. My uncle and my aunt on my mom's side. Their names are Uncle Tom and Aunt Bessie. So thank you, send to support my mom. Still in 6 weeks of relax and yeah, best wishes to hope and Mr. Saddle to Pelusu, shots for you guys, Uncle Tom and Bessie. So I'm sorry, big needles like lasagna, but it's not always, but cube size thing kind of so with some boy on the side. So that's this lasagna here. Alrighty, let's say Susie, yeah, fits his taste. Wow. Dude, that's delicious. Dude, and Bessie, you make this? You make this? You are a good cook. Good cooker, by the way. I don't know if you cook against my mom and dad or not. But let's go dinner and Bessie. I actually like this dinner here. It's just some break. I want to see in the middle. Because I love bottle, by the way. So Susie, yeah, this is this. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. I like this day also I recommend. Hey, in the comment section, I will do a review with 5 bottles. Let me see that in the comment section. Because I'll never try 5 bottles. I never tried it. Please. Send it please comment. Please. And make me eat 5 bottles. Please. By the way. So that's a review for the cast. And for this week, tomorrow is a prediction for Veterans Day, NXT Takeover. So I'll do a big news tomorrow in the review. Sunday in the first week, I watched it in my review. So yes, so thank you for watching my videos, guys. And please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now it's all upload. And please. With second enable, possibly in my YouTube channel, this gives you the channel, and this is benefits as well, please, because I got I don't know how to get it, but I want to extend my collection, so please send me to various ways. So please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. If you are done with that, Susykins, I have 10 words for you guys. Susykins, Susie Nation, and Susie Belushi, Susie. Yeah!